of the most important things that we find in insurance coverage law is candid and accurate advice. Anybody can give advice, but giving the right advice is sometimes very different from just giving advice. Oftentimes, we'll get a matter after someone else had it. In fact, more often than not, some other lawyer will have a matter. The other lawyers looked at it and given an answer that just didn't feel right or sound right to the client. The client will say, hey, can you give this a second look? I had XYZ law firm, great law firm, look at it. And they said they didn't recommend pursuing it. And general counsel, CFO will say, but you know what? I'm out $5 million, $10 million, and I want the money. And they had no way to recover that. They had no strategy. The reality is every time we look at one of those matters, we find out that there is something to go after and there is coverage. The reason we can give that accurate advice is the experience. The reason we can give candid advice is because our hands are not tied behind our backs with insurance company rules about quid pro quo between being on some sort of panel counsel. So we can offer the right advice. That advice may be work it out, which oftentimes it is, work it out. We have the power behind us to work this situation out. We think if we put these arguments in writing, get them to the right people at the insurance company, if we can do that, we think they're going to come around. Because if they don't, they know what's in store for them.